Hello, this is my Scott Springhill, excuse me, and I'm cooking eggs. That's it. With my new pan. It takes a while to get used to. I just got it, just using it for the first time. But if you had a power outage, this is what you could do. But from the corners, you might want to put something over it on the sides, just like I do, so it won't go into your stove. But you know, I like it because it is what it is. Oops. Oh, no, I'm right-handed. I gotta sit down. There you go. Cook the eggs in it. I'm getting used to it. Pan is stuffed up. That little frying pan I got from Winter. I bought off there. There's some great people where I got it from. I'm using one hand. You see I'm moving it. And it's not flipping over. There you go. Sorry about that. I'm moving it around with one hand. I'm not a great cook. I never had to do this before. But if you had a power outage, you can make eggs on this. And this is Scott Springhill. I'm cooking eggs. Thank you for watching. God bless.